Hey everybody, while we've been hard at work summering, some of our favorite apps have been hard at work making major updates. I'm so excited to share some of these with you. Coming your way, we have new features in Seesaw, Flipgrid, iMovie, doing green screen, Adobe Spark Post, and Google Earth. So hang on tight, I'm going to give you a preview of all of those. So first up is Seesaw, and Seesaw has undergone a pretty significant facelift. And now when kids go to add to your journal and choose drawing, they have the option to create almost a collage effect with photos. So all they do is press the camera and upload from their device. They can insert, reposition, resize, move it around, add multiples, which is amazing. And once they have their photos set up, they can do things like add in captions with the text box, or they could use draw tools. They can change the background and even add shapes and modify the way those shapes look. And this is pretty amazing because now kids could do things like add labels, do little how-tos, show a process, show a model. Lots of options with Seesaw. Our next big update comes from Flipgrid, which now has augmented reality. All you have to do is scan the Flipgrid QR code and the video pops up as an overlay. And this is pretty easy to create. From the teacher dashboard, all you do is select the video you'd like to share, press share, and then choose that little QR code option. That'll pop up and you can print it actually right from your iPad using the share arrow. So even though this is the third one I'm talking about, it's easily the one that I am most excited about. iMovie now has a green screen feature and they have some new soundtracks, which are really cool. All right, so to get the green screen to work, what you're going to do is you're going to start off with your basic clip, and then you're going to choose the video that has the green part that you're going to blank out. And when you choose that, you're going to press the dot, 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 and after you press the dot, 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 you will select the area that says green blue screen, and that lays the video in over top of the original, and then you just touch the green area to be blanked out, and then you can go ahead and add new soundtracks from the audio. So lots of new potential with iMovie on iPad. Our next major update comes from Green Screen by Doink, and they have added a prop library. All you have to do is swipe right on your screen to open up the prop library, add in a prop. You can resize it and drag it around the screen, and then if you press the yellow dot and move that around, it creates a path, and that prop can become part of your green screen as an animation. It's really fun, super easy to use, and I think kids will get a big creative kick out of that. So Adobe Spark Post has also added some new features with their different ways to animate the text. They had animation last year in text, but now they have some new ones like blinking text and typewriter text, and it just adds a little bit of pizzazz to Post, which we already love. So our last big update that we're going to talk about is for Google Earth. And now when kids open Google Earth, they're going to select the pirate wheel on the left side, and that's going to take them to an explore area where they can choose games. And now we have available Carmen Sandiego challenges. So in this one, we're heading out to find where on Google Earth is Carmen Sandiego. It's got kind of these old school fonts that students just read through the directions and then select next. And before you know it, you are sort of in this journey around Google Earth. And what I like about this is students get to see the areas they're talking about in three-dimensional view. So as we head into the first one, which is in London, students will see the Tower of London in 3D, where they can kind of rotate around and get a real view of what that looks like. And so now it'll be heading over to the Tower of London, and then they make a prediction based on the clue of where they're going next, and they would report that into the airplane, and it just steps them through the process, which is really a fun way to learn about geography. All right, you all, thanks for tuning in to hear about some of the big updates that have happened this summer. If you have questions or need help, just let me know. See you soon.